My name is Delphine Saxinger. I have been in alternative medicine since 1995. The reason I am doing this DVD is that over the years, many clients have asked me to teach them. And this DVD is my humble attempt at presenting healing tips to improve your health. I hope you do benefit by watching this DVD. I have a gift from God. I can talk to your body and your body will answer me. When I do a session with you, the first initial session is usually 2 hours, and I test over 100 different reflexes. I make sure your organs are in the right position, and I make sure you're properly aligned. I guess the best way to explain what I'm doing is to tell you a few testimonies of how I can help people where no one else could have found the same solutions. I have a gentleman who's a cattle rancher. He came to see me with a lung problem. And it didn't take me long to discover that his lung problem was coming because he had a problem with his tractor. And I asked, "What's wrong with your tractor?" He says, "Oh, the muffler is broken." Well, no wonder his lungs were not working right. If you know anything about tractors, the muffler is at the very top of the tractor, and if the wind is blowing the right way, all the exhaust is going into the cab. So if he's feeding his cattle 1 or 2 hours every day, no wonder his lungs have a problem. Now the specialist would be able to diagnose what is wrong with his lungs and prescribe medication, but they wouldn't find the cause, which was a broken tractor. I have another wonderful testimony of a lady who came to me with a growth on her neck. That growth was about the size of a chicken egg, and the doctors wanted to do surgery on it. I remember it being in the month of September, and her body wanted a different kind of water than the one she was drinking. She needed a probiotic, and she also needed to rebound every day. I saw her again in December, and that growth that was the size of a chicken egg was now about the size of a kidney bean. And she came back to me again in March. No, she didn't come back. She phoned me and said, "Delphine, I've been to the doctors. There is no sign of a tumor or a growth on my neck. I'm so grateful for you and that we didn't have to do surgery." This is just a couple of stories. As we carry on with the DVD, I'll explain further the work I do and also different testimonies of miracles that do happen. Are we? Hello. I would like at this moment to talk about back pain and the muscle-skeleton reflex. When people come to me and talk about pain, I'm expecting that the reflex that I check, called the muscle-skeleton reflex, is not 10 out of 10. And 10 out of 10 is what each reflex should be to be free of symptoms. When I test the muscle-skeleton, I'm also testing the muscles, the ligaments, the tendons, everything that's holding your bones up. So when people come to me and say, "Oh, my back is so sore," I'm looking at the muscle-skeleton reflex to make sure that it is 10 out of 10. If not, I ask the body what it needs to raise it.